Well, if you want to look younger and more fresh-faced, but the thought of surgery scares you off.
Turns out there are some anti-aging treatment options that don't involve a knife. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez is here to tell us about the minimally invasive fountains of youth. Dr. Max.
That's right, Christina Maurice. You know, doctors have figured out what it takes to rejuvenate skin without the weeks or months it used to take to recover from older techniques. And while a facelift or eyelid surgery is still the best way to fix some issues, it's amazing what you can do with just a little downtime.
Julie uses fractional or Fraxel laser treatments to keep her skin looking young and improve its texture.
There's very, very little downtime, and there's not very much pain involved, and it's an extremely natural result.
That natural look is what experts say more patients are opting for, and a host of minimally invasive treatments are aimed at achieving it.
We have so many new technologies, so many new procedures, and there's so much interest.
Those rejuvenating treatments include focused ultrasound to tighten the skin, fractional lasers to treat scars, wrinkles, and improve texture, and microneedling, which is actually using small needles to create tiny injury to the skin.
We can create microscopic wounds to the skin, and that stimulates the skin to produce new collagen by essentially tricking the skin into going into this wound repair mechanism. We can reverse some of the aspects of aging.
Those techniques primarily work to improve the texture and quality of the skin, losing some wrinkles in the process. But Dr. Scott Glassberg, president of the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, says while these minimally invasive procedures are effective, they can be too little, too late for some patients.
There are times where surgery or more invasive procedures are the best options for patients, and that's generally later in life. More extreme situations where patients have waited and not had any of the minimally invasives to start.
Dr. Ariel Kavar points out sometimes a combination of treatments works best, and lasers can't prevent wrinkles from returning in areas where there's a lot of muscle movement.
So injectables such as neurotoxin and fillers accomplish one kind of change, whereas lasers and ultrasound treatments accomplish another. And often, to get the sort of total picture and the best rejuvenation, we combine them.
In other words, no one technique will solve all your aging problems. Some get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, others improve skin texture and pigmentation. But only surgery will fix really sagging skin and jowls. And while they look simple, you must go to a doctor with experience using that specific technique, or Christine, you could still end up with a lot of trouble.
Yes, go to the professionals. Thank you, Dr. Max.